Gabby, you helping Daddy?
She's spinning the world over here for Dad.
Okay, let's get these people on video getting ready to put up this frame that's going to go on the wall. And I am going to paint some custom artwork in the middle. And Gabby's going to help, right, Gabby? Mm-hmm.
Right. It's not going to need any support.
Look at that.
Look good.
A beautiful custom frame, yes.
And then you got your screws countersink so they won't be sticking out.
Okay, awesome. Good, good.
You're going to need this ladder.
I'm definitely going to need the ladder.
Right. So we're going to put one on the side just to get it in there. I should have used a pencil. I used a pen to make this line, so we'll have to look. We got enough paint to touch up. Touch it up. Touch the wall up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it's going to be an interesting collection of colors. I'm going to use this. That's actually the color on that wall. I'm going to bring in some of this like red pinkish color. I'm going to find a way to mix that in, some green and then some brown. Then of course there's the acrylic white and the chalk paint for the frame and inside the painting. I have all manner of my brushes. I got my roller, my mop brush, the other tools all over the place. The other mop brush that I'm going to be using, all of my wall paints for the different types of paints because I'm mixing different types of paints for this painting that I'm doing directly on the wall. Is going to be acrylic and then the regular wall paint, which is why you want to use different types of brushes because sometimes, not even sometimes, but if you were to use this with this brush, it could potentially ruin it. So let's use the right brushes for the right paints, people. That's why I have my big can here. So we're gonna get going. All the tools are out. And oh, by the way, I got these so I can dilute some of the acrylic paints with water that I'm going to use. That's why I have my different bowls and stuff out. So here we go. It's finally done. I did some fine tuning. I was just inspired to make it kind of retro, kind of chaotic, abstract, and I wanted to bring in some colors from the room here, as you see. I may go back in to add a little green at the top, but I actually kind of like it that it's the way it is right now. I might add a touch of green at the top, but ooh, look at my fingers. But I'm very, very happy with it. I think it looks fantastic. And if you go up close, again, what we did, because I couldn't find a custom painting and I'm not paying $100 for one, hundreds, we just got some wood pieces from Lowe's. They were like $2 each for these wood pieces. You can tell here if I go in close. My husband helped me put them together with some simple L brackets. We did not use a canvas since we're putting this directly on the wall. And as you saw, I just painted inside the custom frame directly onto the wall. And the beautiful thing about paint is if you don't like it, you can always paint right over it and start all over again. And the aftermath of all my messes here, this is gonna take forever to clean up, but I think it was totally worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, ask questions if you like, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.